Reimagine your kitchen with Allstate's Home Improvement. Whether you're dreaming of beautiful new cabinetry, a smarter layout, or a complete kitchen transformation, our experienced team is here to guide you every step of the way. From your free design consultation to the final walkthrough, we'll create a kitchen that reflects your style, fits your needs, and exceeds your expectations. Family-owned and locally trusted, Allstate's Home Improvement has helped more than 30,000 local homeowners and earned over 1,000 Google reviews. Schedule your free design consultation today and discover what's possible for your kitchen.
Don't wait! Take advantage of our summer offer. 25% off materials and no payments and no interest for 12 months.
Call Allstate's Home Improvement to update your home.
Let our family work for yours.